Mera, Mera owned a boutique. Boutique means flowers. Boutique. Her staff often arrived late. Observe very carefully. Her staff often arrived late. She scolded them daily. Daily she scolded. Why you are always coming late? Why you are always coming late? Like she scolded every day. But nothing changed. See, observe that. But nothing changed. Every day coming late only. Even she scolded multiple times also, nothing changed. One evening, she asked her one worker, why you are always late? I told her multiple times. Why you are always late? Every day, why you are always late? Then the girl cried. The girl cried, Madam, my child is sick. Madam, my child is sick. I go to hospital early morning every day. I should go to hospital early morning every day. Okay? Every day. That is the reason I'm getting late. Like then automatically Mera felt emotional. She gave flexible timings for genuine cases. Flexible timings for genuine cases. Within a week, stop loyalty doubled. Loyalty got doubled because she understand their needs, and she is in a position to fulfill. She's in a come late, but better to take a bit care, like more understanding. Then the loyalty got increased. They are working, not team say, they are working from the heart. Then automatically their sales, their business is also growing. When care replaces the control, results replace the resistance. Remember this one. When care replaces the control, when care replaces the control, if the control is replaced with the care, okay? So if you are showing the care, then automatically resistance will be replaced with the results. Remember that growth by default will be there.